backup?
Yeah, show us what it is.
518, we're going to be code 6 on our call here. We're going to be behind the Maserati. Can we get a one warrant on...
code 6. First and Pacific.
Try to stop.
Behind the Maserati. Roger, right.
518, we're going to be on 1st and Grand. We're going to be northbound on Grand from 1st.
518, northbound, 1st and Grand, northbound from 1st.
Can you roll all your windows down for me, boss?
Northbound Grand from 1st.
Roll down the window.
Could you just make it a backup?
Anybody else in the car with you?
Grand, north of 1st.
Keep your hands up.
Any unit of the vicinity, 518 request backup air units, supervisor, 1st and Grand, correction, north.
You say you can't roll the windows down or what?
Yeah, he can't roll down.
Following white Maserati.
Jones initially pulled over on Grand Avenue, stopped, and momentarily opened the driver's side door. However, he did not comply with the officer's commands to exit the Maserati, but instead closed the door and quickly accelerated away at a high rate of speed.
What's my name?
518 shows in pursuit. We'll be north on Grand from 1st. And report for you, man, with the gun.
The officers initiated a vehicle pursuit and requested the assistance of additional patrol units, an air unit, and a supervisor. Jones refused to stop, committed numerous traffic violations, and eventually entered the northbound 110 freeway.
18.
Requesting backup air unit, supervisor.
18, we're going to be northbound on Gaffney. We're going to be entering the 110 freeway.
He's coming down the driveway on the south side of that building. Gray hoodie, walking out towards him. On the west side, guys. Stop, right there. That's your suspect. On the south side of the building, guys. Other side of the building. Go south. Your suspect's right there coming out. That's him. And I have shots fired. Shots fired on 30 help. Suspect is down. Suspect is...
Units, officer needs help.
On the south side of the building, guys. Other side of the building. Right here.
Hey, take him into custody. Don't move it. Don't touch it. Where's the other one at? All right, that's fine. That's fine. Hey, pull him down. Leave it right there. All right. Hey, start rendering aid. What do you guys do? Hey, you got the gun.
They're too tight.
He got high blood pressure on it.
They're too tight.
You got it?
They're too tight. Take it off, please.
Sit down, okay? You want to trade? Hey,